If you're losing that drive, if you're losing that motivation, I can tell you that your results are always the outcome of the processes that you follow, the habits that you follow. So ultimately, अगर आप अपनी हैबिट्स को चेंज करोगे, द आउटकम विल बी टोटली डिफरेंट. सो बेसिकली लेट्स सपोज अगर आप उतना ज़्यादा मोटिवेटेड नहीं फील करते हो, एंड मे बी यू आर स्टक एट होम एंड यू स्टे अलोन एट home, for just an example. So just figure out a way in which you are no longer alone at home. So maybe start going to co-working place, start working from there. Maybe you are with a company of friends जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा motivating बातें नहीं कर पाते हैं. So you start changing that company and you start creating new companies, maybe by going to some good places. So ultimately, just by changing those many little habits, there will be minor little changes that will start happening in your life, and that will ultimately start taking you to the right direction, and gradually it will have an impact in your results. Not immediately, but gradually.